A and B. How to use A and B and where to use A and B, this is our topic. First of all, I will let you know that there are 26 English alphabets. There are 26 English alphabets. Out of 26 English letters, we have 5 vowels and the rest, that is how many? 20? 19? Kitne? 21. We have 21 consonants. इतना समझ आ गया? Is it clear? (26) letters English alphabets में 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. I will divide the board into 3 halves first. This is where I use and, where A and where B. First of all, we will take and. And we must know about the vowels. That is, there are 5: A, E, I, O and U. You have to keep this thing in mind that any word that starts with A, E, I, O, U, what comes in front, it is the and. Like, let's start with A. Let's start with A. I will write apple, E, elephant, import, O, orange and U, umbrella. These are the vowels. When the first letter is vowel, we write what here? We write an apple, an elephant, an import, an orange, an umbrella. But leaving these 5 letters aside, we have certain letters which are pronounced as, like if we take a word R, how many R's? H is silent. This letter is silent. So when we spell out the word, when we speak the word, it is R. So we don't say our, we say R. So when it is R, it's R. R is A. So what will come here? It is an R. Is that clear? Again, the next word I take is, I'll write the spelling first. Honest. If you, the spelling is honest. If I take the first letter, that is H, it is a consonant. But when I pronounce this, when I spell it out, I say honest. H is silent. So honest, it is O. O means again vowel. So what will come in front? It is an. What you have to keep in mind is any letter that starts with any word that starts with the letters, vowel letter, that is A, E, I, O, U, and comes in different. What you will use there? And like the word is R. H-O-U-R. H is silent. So I pronounce it as R. O. And. Honest. Honest. O. And. Is that clear? Now we will come to the next. That is A. And is very simple. So I put and first. A and B are also simple, but a little we have to understand and exert here. That is number 1. When we talk about something in journal, A is used there. What? journal. When we talk about something in journal, what is used in journal? What is used? A is used. Where is A used? When we talk about something in journal, like I say, a book, a bag, a pen, and likewise. One more thing, keep in mind that A is used for when there is one thing. It is used for one. I cannot write books. A represents one. And when I am talking something in journal, it is a book. I want a book. I went to the library and I asked the book, Madam, I want a book. I will not say I want books. I want a book. I will say to the shopkeeper, I want a bag. To the stationery man, I say that I want a pen. So, this is when we are talking something in journal. Like one more is there, a ship. Now is when we are talking about something for the first time. जब हम किसी के बारे में for the first time बोलते हैं, when talking about something for the first time, when we are talking about something for the first time, when talking about something for the first time, like I went to a park, there I saw a tree. I saw a beautiful tree. I saw a beautiful lake. Example is, I saw a beautiful tree. Yeah, I saw a beautiful dress. In the shop. Is that clear? So this is where and how we use A. Now the last one is D. D and A, they move simultaneously. Like here is in A that when we talk about something in journal, and in D when we talk about something in specific, yeah, a particular thing, like I say the Taj Mahal, the Himalayas, the India Gate, like that. A particular cheese, because Taj Mahal is a particular Taj Mahal. We cannot make another Taj Mahal and say there are Taj Mahals. No. The Taj Mahal, a particular object, a specific object. समझ आया? तो वहाँ हम क्या लगाते हैं? We use the. So first is when talking about a specific thing. यहाँ पर we talk about journal. यहाँ पर talk about specific thing. That is the Taj Mahal. The India Gate, because these are specific things. The Himalayas, and etc. So many. These are all the examples where we write the. Means when we are talking about a specific thing. So, got it? The second is when, यहाँ हमने कहा था in A में when we are talking about something for the first time. D में है when we are talking about something for the second time. When talk about something for the second time. example of girl. I saw a beautiful tree, I saw a beautiful girl. If we take the example that side, I can say the girl is sleeping in the class. The girl is talking because a particular child. हम एक लड़की जो ले रहे हैं वो पर्टिकुलर, क्योंकि सब बच्चे नहीं सो रहे हैं. One child, one girl. So I say the girl is talking. दूसरा ले लो, the girl is sleeping in the class. The girl is sleeping in the class. Now one sentence I give you that will complete yourself. I ate dash PM. Pear was sweet. अब बताओ, I ate dash pear. What will come here? I ate a pear and that particular pear was sweet. So this is a particular pear. I will write here. The pear was sweet. Is that clear? What you have to do is you have to first keep in mind English alphabets 26, 5 are vowels, 21 are the consonants. A is used before the consonants, and is used before the vowels. Is that clear?